welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use Fameswap for YouTube accounts. So how to buy a YouTube account, and I'm just going to go quickly over how to buy it. I'm going to tell everything step by step. So watch until the end of the video and let's start it. I don't want to take y'all's time. So you go click here. First of all, you got to log in. So after you log in, you'll see this. So after you see YouTube, you got to take this off. You got to click on only YouTube. So let's do this and let me go quick. After you click on YouTube, you're gonna see so many accounts with so many things. Before you buy an account, make sure that they have pictures. So there's going to be an audience report available and also the original email included. The reason why is most of the time there are a lot of scammers in this website where they will tell you that I have the original email, but they would lie. So make sure that they have the original email included. And after this, we're going to see the price. So let's see. Or let's see if there's any like good accounts. So I'm gonna pretend like I'm a huge um, YouTuber and I'm trying to buy this. Yeah, like let's say this account. So I'm gonna be pretending like I'm gonna buy this account. You click on the accounts. This account has pictures on it. There's a sample that I can download. However, I don't have the premium feature. To download the premium feature, I mean to download the report, you need a premium feature. I don't recommend anyone to buy it. So it was last seen on today. So oh no, it was listed today. So we're gonna click on the account. So you don't see the account. So we're gonna contact the seller and we're gonna go ahead and say, what's the account name? Like what's the YouTube link? Because the website Fameswap automatically blurs it. So we're gonna say, hello, what's the account link? And after you do it, you can negotiate on the price. Please ask for pictures, ask for the revenue data of the channel, ask for the audience report where the people are from, and see if it's legit or not, and get their contact information, get their number, get their Instagram, get their Telegram, whatever you can, so that you don't lose contact. And after you do that, you're gonna click on escrow. Escrow works as a middleman, so escrow gets the channel and you pay the escrow of the money. And when you pay the escrow of the money, escrow pays the seller, so it works as a middleman. So there's a seller, there's the buyer, and escrow is here. They're doing the transactions in case of a scam. And actually, after you buy it, make sure that you have everything, change the password, change the channel name, whatever you want to do. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I uploaded a video about the Instagram one. If you want to buy an account from Instagram, I mean, if you want to buy an account from Fameswap, make sure to watch my video on Fameswap. There's a lot of things that you can do with the YouTube channel. And thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.